Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to auto expand coupon field on checkout page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now you see our coupon. Click here to enter your code. When we click on it, then coupon field show. So we are going to auto expand it. Now go to dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snipper. Then you see add snipper. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. So after adding code, coupon field auto expand. Now you see again refresh the page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.